Today, we're diving into a question that's on the minds of many. Can you order tobacco on DoorDash? This inquiry might seem simple at first glance, but there's a lot to unpack here. Let's explore this topic in depth. Firstly, it's essential to understand what DoorDash is. DoorDash is a popular food delivery service that connects customers with a wide range of restaurants and stores. But when it comes to the delivery of regulated substances like alcohol and tobacco, things get a bit more complicated due to legal restrictions and DoorDash's policies. As of my last update, DoorDash does have a policy that includes the delivery of alcohol in certain areas under strict regulations. However, when it comes to tobacco products, the situation is different. Generally, DoorDash does not deliver tobacco products in most areas. This restriction is due to a combination of legal implications, health concerns, and DoorDash's commitment to safety. The laws governing the delivery of tobacco products are complex and vary significantly from one jurisdiction to another. In many areas, selling tobacco to minors is illegal, and sellers must verify the age of the purchaser. This presents a challenge for delivery services, which might find it difficult to adequately verify a customer's age upon delivery. Moreover, the health implications of tobacco use are well documented, and many companies choose not to engage in the delivery of tobacco products as part of their commitment to promoting a healthy community. DoorDash seems to align with this perspective by not facilitating the delivery of tobacco products. However, it's important to note that policies and available services can change. In some specific markets, or under certain conditions, there could be exceptions. It's always a good idea to check the most current information directly on the DoorDash app or their official website. In conclusion, as of now, ordering tobacco through DoorDash is generally not an option due to a mixture of legal, ethical, and health-related concerns. This stance reflects not only the policies of DoorDash, but also the broader regulatory and social environment surrounding the sale and distribution of tobacco products. Thank you for watching. This topic reminds us of the evolving nature of delivery services and how they navigate the complex landscape of regulations and societal expectations. Whether it's tobacco or any other regulated substance, it's important to stay informed about what services like DoorDash can and cannot deliver. Stay safe and make informed choices.